Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name is Chris Plant. So today, in our Make Your Own Prompt series, I'm going to show you how to upload another prompt onto Snack Prompts. So let's dive in right now. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT, and I'm going to go up to the left here and click on my Snack Prompts and just activate those. And then on the right-hand side here, we're going to create straight away. So we're going to a new prompt template, and that's important to set up. Okay, so our kickoff document now, the goal is we're building a prompt library, of course, slowly week by week, learning the way that prompt engineers create prompts. And our mission today is to generate unique content using alternative keywords, which we're going to extract from an article. Okay, so we're back here now in our new prompt template. And first of all, we're going to copy our title across, which is Boost SEO Strategy, Unlock Content Potential with Keywords. Okay, then we're going to add our description, and I'll explain that in a second. And then, of course, we're going to bring in our prompt, which we're going to put into the template window here. So first of all, let's have a look at the template. So you are an SEO professional, and task one is to extract the main topic keyword from the article. Task two is to generate an alternative long tail keyword, so a bunch of keywords to extend our SEO content cluster. And task three is to write a blog post based on the extracted alternative keywords, which is 500 words long. So when I talk about alternative long tail keywords, for instance, we use today our original keyword, which was prompt engineering. And the alternative keywords to that would be something like prompt engineering course, or command prompt, or prompt engineering ChatGPT, or ChatGPT prompt engineering. These alternative keywords will help extend the SEO content cluster and boost search engine rankings. Okay, so we're back in the new prompt template. Template is clear now. The description we've already looked at, so that's fine. And let's just publish that prompt. Okay, so hold on, we haven't selected the topic at the top here, so let's just add those topics. Okay, we will put in marketing, SEO, and business, and we'll publish the prompt now. And now we can upload our image as usual. We'll take our prompts JPEG, put that in there. We have a nice image to download. Let's download that one, close the box, and we're done with that. And now we can actually go and send to ChatGPT. Okay, so now we're getting the prompt at the bottom. Ask for user to enter an article to use for the base content. So now we need to go and get our article. So let's go and find an article. This is one from Apple a month or so ago, but it's just in my head yesterday because of the WWDC event. So I'm just going to copy an example text here about some product launches that were imagined that would come forward. So let's copy that text. Now, what I do like to do as well is we'll just go back to ChatGPT. I like to copy that into a teach text document so I can delete things like adverts and extra text I don't need. And I'll just copy that straight out into my prompt now. Okay, so let's pop it in there, and you can see there is all of my text plus the prompt, and let's go. And here we go. It's off generating. So you can see my prompt at the top there, and you can see also there's the task 1, 2, and 3, and you can also see what's going on here. And then you can look at here, task 1. So the main topic keyword extracted from the article is Apple mixed reality headset, okay, which was released yesterday. Task 2, the alternative long tail keywords related to the main topic, and you can see there's 15 points here. And then task 3, here's the blog post based on the extracted alternative keywords that are above. Okay, so here we go. We've even got a title, and our word count is 500. So we have the introduction, and we've also got augmented reality redefined. Okay, that looks nice, quite interesting text, a glimpse into the future. And all of this text is completely unique based on that original content that we put in there. So basically, to sum up, prompt engineering is a really essential skill in creating unique content for blog posts. And by extracting these alternative keywords from an article and incorporating them into the new post, we can ensure that our content is not only engaging, but also optimized for search engines. Well, that's it for today, guys. So thank you very much for watching the video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and tips. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.